Shalom. Let's look at the time. Let's see. Okay. I woke up with the mind today because I have not sent this off to LACERA, the affidavit notice to LACERA. I have not sent it off to them officially, even though I've made it public for a witness. But I had a thought to go to amend it because I had left out some things and had to correct some things on it. But then when I attempted to use the word process on the computer, something or someone has frozen it, so I can't use it. So what because the great Abba Allah has created man with the greatest computer, his mind. So what I'm saying by that is I'm giving him honor. And I'm backed by his word. So I'm not being boastful or anything. We're greater than a computer. So what I did was simply wrote out what I needed to do. I don't need a computer to do that. So this is the correction, and all rights reserved forever, that I can always update, like I said, what I want to be known about me and what is true and what is honorable. Because, like I said, I am, according to him, I am who I am. Tell him I am has sent you. So this is the amendment, and if I find mistakes in that, I'll update it again, because I have the right to do that. No one can bound me by their interpretations or by their boundaries. This is on their date of January 21st, 2019, approximately 8:51 a.m. according to their time. Affidavit of notice to LACERA amended. Greetings. I am contacting you in my proper capacity to show cause that I have the right to receive my safety retirement that you said it was mine by right, due to me being retired from your service on your date of May 7th, 2014. You said it was mine by right in an effort to make sure your corporation is in honor, and I, being man in my proper capacity being in honor, I approve LACERA and the County of Los Angeles to discharge any debt obligations of the United States minor, and to be found in honor by correcting any fraudulent action by their failure to disclose any bad faith actions on their behalf, through full disclosure violation with injurious actions of or intent to cause me injury by deception. I'm not accusing them of those things, I'm saying, but if any of those things happened, and like he said, all attorneys are basically, that was what their Pope said, all attorneys are basically unlicensed. They're acting in de facto status. At the time, I did not know those things. And nobody disclosed that to me. So that's what I'm saying. Everything that was done during that time, I'm trying to make sure that they and I are all in good faith and going forth honorably. So this is what this is all about. This is not an attack. And they will understand that if they're in good faith, because they would like to be in good faith too. You said it was mine by right in an effort to make sure your corporation is in honor, and I, being man in my proper capacity being in honor, I approve LACERA and the County of Los Angeles to discharge any debt obligation of the United States minor, and to be found in honor by correcting any fraudulent action by their failure to disclose and any bad faith actions on their behalf through full disclosure violation with injurious actions of intent to cause me injury by deception. I approve LACERA and the County of Los Angeles to contact the Secretary of Treasury for compensation of any debt associations with this account that was applied to their Social Security number and their employee number. I order this action to be corrected because I'm not under their jurisdiction. I'm not under their jurisdiction. I order this action to be corrected to remove any assumption of bad faith on my part also, to correct any actions of compromise on my behalf through ignorance or misunderstanding. I order this account to be updated to reflect my proper capacity according to my nationality, Hebrew, Yashtralite of Yehuda, and then I put in brackets, Hebrew Israelite of Judah, for understanding, because that's what people don't understand, maybe Hebrew. I'm just saying they probably do, if they don't, but I'll just put it there just in case. Being the de jure government of this land, because I being one of the people, I am the government, the de jure government. Being the de jure government of this land called America, but A space M-E-R apostrophe C-A, being an American, A space M-E-R apostrophe C-A-N, of what some call Turtle Island, and according to the Treaty of Peace and Friendship, Northwest America, Mexam, Al Morocco, and according to the 1828 Dictionary of America, American spelled A-M-E-R apostrophe I-C-A-N, and America, North America, capital N-O-R-T-H, lowercase a, lowercase m, lowercase e, lowercase r, lowercase I, lowercase c, lowercase a, and South America, capital S, small lowercase o-u-t-h, and then America spelled in all lowercase. Apostrophe, Aboriginal and indigenous people of this land. Okay, let's see what time. Okay. I request to be paid in lawful currency according to the Organic Constitution, Article 1, Section 10. But if there is no lawful currency, I will continue to receive your fiat currency, being they are negotiable instruments. I will authorize the notes to be discharged and set off in good faith until the de jure process can be updated. I affirm. So basically, what I'm saying is, if that's what they have, I will make their note honorable by discharging it until the process can be updated to reflect what it should be, because I have the authority to do it, because, as being the de jure government. So if that's all they have, I'll just, like I showed you, authorize it to be discharged and set off, so the debt can be eliminated. I affirm this information is true to the best of my ability, and I do so in my new name, Negus L. For the record, I have contacted you in the past by the chosen name of Negus Elagiyah Kadesh, which was proper English spelling, and then I slashed off excuse me, I slashed off the E-S-H and I added the A, I spelled it Q-A, capital Q, lowercase a, D-O-S-H. And you have, and you have been operating by the legal fiction name, in all caps, Anthony Madrus Pooler Sr. And then I put on there, based on the information that was that I found by, they said, their Pope's attorney that sent to Obama, I put, your Pope Francis ordered that the United States minor and all of its affiliates and functions to return these estates and estates, including all legal fictions in all of their forms, to be returned to what he called African Americans, but I say Aboriginal Indigenous, to this land, the de jure people of the land. All corporations are put on notice. I have the right to receive mail in any name of my right, regardless of legal fiction, as a reply to any attempt by the de facto to entrap me within their jurisdiction. The de facto is put on notice that they have no claim of right, nor do they have any jurisdiction regarding myself or my inheritance. Every attempt of bad faith action by the de facto is an injury and unenforceable by null and void for failure, and unenforceable being null and void for failure of full disclosure and bad faith actions. Then I put autograph, all rights reserved without prejudice, nationality, Hebrew, Yasharalite of Yehuda, Aboriginal people indigenous to the land. And once again, Gazelle. All right. Fingerprint. Identification. To your identification. Aboriginal to the land. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I just did this for the witness sake, but I'm going to also, no I'm not, I'm just going to leave it like it is, and I'll just scratch out anything that's misspelled and put the correct spelling in it and send it like that, because I've signed this one in your presence. So, like I said, all of my intent is in good faith. All my actions are to be honorable in good faith, and like I said, I know better, I do better. And until next time, shalom.